Namaste, my name is Roshan Chettri and I am from Samsung Fire, Mumbai. I have completed my education from Samsung Higher Secondary School in 2021. After that, I was searching for a professional where I could make my career, and with the help of my brothers, I got to know about Aqube Institute of Management and joined the hospitality industry in the year 2023. After completing my diploma and internship, I feel much more professionally skilled and mentally more disciplined and confident than before. AQ gave me a great opportunity to broaden my knowledge. Beyond the scope of my studies, my life at AQ grows clarity of growth and confidence. Real-time exposure was many through the program, value-added programs, institute classes, professional development, communication skills, etc. Help my enhancement skills in caring matters, the friendly attitude of trainers, and their willingness to aware of helping hand. It made me feel like a part of AQ family. Moreover, I cherish the feeling of studying at an institute which focus on my career enhancement along the overall skills development with the dissemination of mix of academics and extracurricular activities. My dream come true when I browse the job towards campus placement at Four Seasons Hotel, Mumbai. I own my success of entire AQ team and feel proud of being me and you.